Hi class, welcome to Brand Identity Design, CIS 133 at Jackson College. I'm your instructor, Chrissy Hughes. Some of you may know me, others may have no idea. There might be business people in this class, graphic design people in this class, an array of people in this one credit class. I'm here to answer any questions on course structure, just to let you know who I am and show you the lay of the land in this JetNet course shell here. So we've got a little introduction. We have my office hours. I'm located in the William Atkinson building, second floor at the end of the hall, 226D. I'm behind the double doors if you need to come find me. Let me know. I'm available all week, a couple days online. And then Fridays, I'm in a lot of meetings, so that would have to be by appointment. If you have any questions, just email me. You should probably hear back from me most effectively via email. And as long as you have the CIS 133 in your subject matter, I can quickly respond, knowing it might be a course question. The syllabus is here. We've got the office hours, kind of redundant there, but you can see the overview of what we're going to be covering this term. Also, the text that's required, which is the Brand Identity Design textbook, Brand Identity, Designing Brand Identity by Lena Wheeler. And this text is available in multiple formats, I believe. And if you want to ask me about Textbook Zero, I'm happy to meet with you and discuss other options as well. You see, we've got the academic calendar. I do observe mid-semester break between March 12th and the 18th. Our assignments are exercises. You have weekly study sheets, and then we have some survey assignments as well as compare and contrast in a couple exams. You want to log into JetNet multiple times per week to be successful in this course, as well as make sure that you're logging into your JC email to make sure that you're able to get any communications that I might be sending out that are crucial. The important dates to remember, your HQV dates here in the syllabus, of course, January 23rd, February 12th, and March 19th. Be sure that you're contributing to the course structure. Otherwise, you may be dropped from the class or receive an H for help. Verified is a V. It confirms that you're participating regularly. There's a little outline here of the course. Some of the things that we do. We do a case studies. We look at some touch point prototypes that are created by some successful brands. And we go heavily into brand strategy, sort of the brand elements and the dynamics that make certain brands successful versus others. So I hope you really enjoy this class. You can go ahead and read through that syllabus. If you have any questions, let me know. Week 1, we will dive into what is branding, just sort of defining branding and trying to understand why certain brands are successful. And we'll have a few forums that you'll want to contribute to, such as the Icebreaker Forum and the What's Your Most Trusted Brand? And then, of course, your study sheet. Okay, I look forward to working with you all and have a great term. I'm there if you need me. Take care. Bye-bye.